Hi kids, welcome back to my channel Learning is Fun with Monalisha Tyagi. Today I'm going to perform an experiment which is known as Burning Candle Water Experiment. Kids, this experiment appears like magic, and kids who wants to learn more about air or air pressure, so this experiment is for you. And this experiment needs very basic items, very few items. Also, it will complete in just few steps. So let me tell you quickly what are the things which you need. You need a candle or a Play-Doh to fix that candle on a plate, or you can take a diya. You need a drinking water glass, you need a plate, you can take food coloring which is optional, and water. So without a further delay, let's start the experiment. Oh, no, wait, I just want to tell you one thing. Don't take your eyes off while the water is rising, because that appears like magic. Yes. Also, you can record your observations, and you can predict what will happen in the experiment. I hope you have liked the video. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.